Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to install fabric mods in Minecraft TLauncher. Just follow these simple steps. Let's get started. Open your web browser. Search for Fabric Minecraft. Open the official Fabric website. Click Download. Then download the installer for your operating system. After the download is complete, open the installer. Select your Minecraft version. Then click Install. After the installation is finished, click the blue Fabric API link. This will open the Fabric API download page. Open the Files tab. Select your Minecraft version. Choose Fabric as the mod loader. Then download the latest Fabric API. After that, go back to CurseForge. Open the Minecraft section. Then open Mods. Search for the mod you want to install. Open the mod page. Go to the Files tab. Select your Minecraft version. Choose Fabric as the mod loader. Then download the mod. After both files are downloaded, open the Fabric installer again. Click the blue mods link. Move the Fabric API file and the downloaded mod into the mods folder. Close all the windows. Open TLauncher. Click the version list. Select the Fabric version you installed. Then click Enter the game. Join any world. Your Fabric mods should now be working. If you're still having any problems, let us know in the comments. We'll make a guide for you. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more easy guides. Thank you for watching.